What is the function of? Yes, beta. Samiksha, repeat question.
Ma'am, what is the function? Ma'am, what is the function of the coronary artery?
Coronary artery, it is also called the coronary sinus. Collect blood from the wall of heart. Heart wall blood is collected by the coronary sinus or artery. Okay. Any other doubt? Yes. Any other doubt? Yesterday, the one question was there. What is that? How much blood pumped by the heart? Heart pump 2000 gallon. 2000 gallon blood per day. Per day, 2000 gallon blood pumped by heart. Okay. Any other doubt? Yes. Any other doubt, beta? No doubt? Yes. Any doubt? No? Yes, beta, give me reply.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm taking the today topic. What is that? Pulse rate. What is that? Pulse rate. Already I taught you about that heartbeat. Acha, first of all, I'm going to ask you some question. What is a heartbeat? What is a heartbeat? Give me reply. What is heartbeat? Apni video close karo. Yes, give me reply, Samiksha. What is heartbeat?
Ma'am, the continued contraction and
the single pulsation of heart.
Continuous contraction and relaxation of heart is called the heartbeat. And in male, how? What is the number of heartbeat in male? Give me answer. What is the number of heartbeat in male or in female? Yes, Samiksha.
70 to 72
70 to 72 in?
minute.
Speak loudly. In
Minutes.
or in female?
78 to 82.
I already taught you in female it is 80. Okay. After that, what is the that the yesterday topic was there? Heartbeat ho gaya. What is the meaning of the systole? What is the meaning of systole? Systole means? Just give me reply, hurry up. Who is going to give answer? Hurry up. Unmute your mic and give reply. No? Systole and diastole. Samiksha, what is a systole and what is diastole? Yes.
ma'am, condition in which the heart chambers are contract.
That is called
Systole.
Diastole.
The heart chambers are relaxed.
The heart is relaxed.
Okay, okay. Why when the one person is giving answer, other is also giving? It's wrong. Okay, listen me. Now the next question is there. How many chambers are present in the heart? Give me reply.
Ma'am, 4.
2 chambers.
Okay. Now to the topic I am taking. What is that? That is pulse rate. That is called the pulse rate. Beta, what is a pulse rate? It is a repeated throb. It is repeated throbs, THROBS, repeated throbs felt in superficial artery like radial artery or wrist. Again, I am going to repeat. What is a pulse? It is a repeated throb felt in superficial artery like radial artery or wrist called pulse. Okay, you know why the throbs are produced? throbs due to forcefully flowing of blood into the elastic arteries during ventricular systole. Why the throb is produced, beta? Throb due to forcefully pumping of blood in arteries, elastic arteries during ventricle systole, throb is produced. Okay. Yes? Any doubt? Number of throb per minute is counted. It is a pulse rate. The number of throb per minute counted, that is called the pulse rate. And pulse rate is equal to the rate of the heartbeat. Again, I am going to repeat. Listen me. Number of throb per minute is called pulse rate. Number of throb per minute is called the pulse rate. And the pulse rate is equal to the rate of heartbeat. Okay? Any doubt? You can ask me question. What is a pulse? Now I'm going to ask you question. What is a pulse? Just give me reply.
It is a repeated throbs felt in superficial artery like radial artery or wrist.
Over wrist. Yani when we put our hand on below the thumb on wrist, what we will found? We will found some throb. Why that throb is produced, beta? Yes, give me answer. Why throb formed? Yes. Due to ventricular systole. Okay. Now I am taking the next topic, that is called the blood pressure. What is that? Blood pressure. Blood pressure exerted by forceful. Blood pressure exerted by forceful flow of blood in elastic wall of arteries. Again, I am going to repeat. Blood pressure exerted by forceful flow of blood in elastic wall of arteries. In elastic wall of arteries. That is called the blood pressure. And that blood pressure is measured, beta. How that blood pressure is measured? Blood pressure is measured in mmHg. And the instrument that is used for the measurement, that is called the sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer. And you know, the normal blood pressure is, the highest blood pressure denote the systolic pressure and lower pressure is denote the diastolic pressure. And the normal BP is, blood pressure is 120/80 mmHg. 120 represents systolic pressure and beta 80 represent diastolic pressure. Okay, when the BP is 150/90, yani more than 120, 150 to 90, that is called the high blood pressure and it is also called the hypertension. Are you getting my point, beta? When the blood pressure is more than 150 to 90, 150/90, that is called the hypertension or high blood pressure. And what happened by the high blood pressure? When this high blood pressure is caused due to thickening of arteries, due to the thickening of arterioles. When the arterioles wall is thick, an artery's wall is thick, what happened, beta? The BP is increased. The arteries are shorter in size. So the blood flow in pressure. And that is called the high blood pressure. Listen, why high blood pressure is produced? Due to the smoking, due to the tobacco chewing. When the person is chewing tobacco and smoking, arteries and arterioles wall thick, alveoli wall thick, and high blood pressure is formed. Listen to me now next. When the BP low, 120, yani 110 to 70. वहां पर 150 to 90. हमने high blood pressure में what is that? 150 to 90. Here, what is that? 110/70. It is called the low blood pressure. What is that? Low blood pressure. And what is the other name? That is called the hypotension. And in hypotension, blood flow in the arteries in slow pressure, in low pressure. So the blood is not properly supplied in the all parts of the body. Are you getting my point? Yes, beta. Means in hypertension, blood pressure increase 150/90, and in 150, 120 से above और नीचे 80 से above, and low blood pressure में 110 to 70. Okay. Now you have any doubt, you can ask me question, beta. Yes. Yes, beta. Tell me. Just give me what is the meaning of high blood pressure. Yes, give me answer that. Hurry up.
Hypertension due to thickening of arterioles.
And what is the high blood pressure? Tell me the number of high blood pressure in mmHg.
150 to 90 mgh.
mmHg. mmHg. Okay. And what is a hypotension? Anybody else give me answer? Hypotension.
And the low BP.
Low BP. That is. And tell me the numbers of low BP blood pressure.
110 to 70.
Right. Now, beta, I am taking the, blood circulatory system. The blood supplying the different part of the body. This is called the blood circulatory system. Blood circulatory system is two types. The one is called the single circulatory system, and second is called the double circulatory system. Listen me, beta. Single circulatory system is present in the fish. In which it is present? Single circulatory system present in the fish. Beta, in fish, one auricle and one ventricle is present. What is present? In fish, one auricle and one ventricle is there. From different part of the body, impure blood come into the fish heart. Impure blood come into the fish heart. And from fish heart, that blood supply into the gills. From the fish heart, blood supply into the gills. And in gills, after purification, blood directly supply into the different part of the fish body. After the purification, from gills, blood supply in the different part of the fish body, and this is called the blood. This is called the single circulatory system. Why? Because in heart, blood come only one time. In heart, blood come only one time, so it is called single circulatory system. Are you getting my point? Yes. So it is called single circulatory system. Yes. Any doubt?